Changing your primary email on StockX is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the StockX website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled email preferences or account information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the section where your current primary email is displayed. Enter your new email address in the provided field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and update your primary email. Once you have completed these steps, check your new email for a confirmation message from StockX to ensure the change has been processed.